Hi guys, today we'll try to understand how Google Sheet helps us to refine or make your data more accurate in terms of what are the contents and whether the contents are properly spelled in uh, in a given sheet, because that gives a good impression in front of the audience whom you are going to show your sheet to. Because if there are any spelling mistakes, you may you may feel bad about it that we are not able to do it properly. Yeah. So Google Sheet provides you a handy feature about providing you a check on whether your spellings are right or wrong. Yeah. In order to do that, you need to quickly go to tools. There is an option called spelling, which helps you to do a spell check and add words to a dictionary. Now, there are certain words which you probably do not have in a dictionary, but you want it to be that way in order to show it to your management or to your managers. For example, QTD, that's quarter to date. That's a short form that we normally use to show it show the data in a proper format. Or those are normal terms in financial sectors. So let's start with spell check. Suppose I have this data which I have listed from A1 to A10 on the sheet. Hope there's a lot of data on which I want to do a spell check. What I'll do is I'll go to tools, I'll click on spelling, and then I'll click on spell check. It immediately comes up with a new box. Yeah, giving you suggestions on whether you can change this particular word which is incorrect to a new word which is provided here. Yeah. Or you just ignore it. Yeah. Ignore all the words available with this kind of name in the entire sheet. Yeah. Or I can just change it. I'll change all to technology. Now you can see the word over here is incorrect because technology is spelled incorrectly. T-E-C-H-O. It should be T-E-C-H-N-O. So I can just say change all. Yeah. So it is changed. Now, as soon as you change the first one, it will take you to the next incorrect word. So it has taken me to achievement, which is an incorrect word. I feel it should be changed. So again, I'll say change all. Now, yeah, you can find one thing that has happened. It had skipped the spreadsheet. Yeah, this word which is spreadsheet available because it is right. It has jumped from that word directly to efficient, where my word is incorrect. For this time, I feel I should ignore it. So I ignore it. It will not do anything with this word. It will keep it as it is. Yeah, it is moved to another word which is incorrect. Again, I'll say change all. Yeah, it has again skipped the words in between: innovation, uh, analysis, integrity, resilience, which seems to be incorrect in these terms. Yeah. So this is how you change or ignore words. Yeah. Other thing that I can do is I can add those words which are not in the dictionary by placing a view personal dictionary. Now this option is available in the tools spelling again. Here you are. If you go to spelling, you have a personal dictionary in which you can add your own words. Yeah. So suppose I want to add a new word, but before that, let's complete this spell check. So I've done the spell check. It has come to reliance, resilience. I'll say change all, optimization. Again, I'll say change all. So my spell check is all done. no spelling suggestion, search all sheets. Yeah, it is searching for other sheets as well. But let me not go into other sheets right now. Let me stick to the words that I have. Suppose I have a new word here called QTD. Yeah, it will, if I ask him to do a spell check, let me see if this is the correct word in a spell check. Yeah, it has got that word. It is incorrect. Yeah, but now suppose I add this word in my dictionary. So I go to tools, spelling, I say personal dictionary, I'll say okay, and add word. So this particular word is added to my dictionary. Now, if I try to do a spell check, yeah, it has taken the entire word. I'll again add this word. Wait, need to add the words separately. So I say personal dictionary, I'll add one more word, I'll say add. Okay, I'll add this as well. Because these are separate words. Spelling, personal dictionary, I'll add this as well, say add, say okay. Now if I try to do the spell check, it will just ignore them because these words have got added to the dictionary. Suppose I remove dead from this dictionary. I go to tools, I go to spelling, I go to my personal dictionary. I do not want DATWE as my personal in my personal dictionary. So I'll just go here, remove the date, remove that word, and I'll say okay. Now if I try to do the spell check, yeah, it is telling me that this word is incorrect. I need to replace it by date. So this is how you refine your data, you do a quality check on your data so that the words included in the data are proper, perfect, so that it could be presented to the audience. Yeah. Now, if there are some certain words which you want to be as it is, you can add it to your personal dictionary or remove it from your personal dictionary so that it ignores while doing that check. But you need to be very careful about what you are adding to personal dictionary because ultimately those will be ignored while doing the spell check as those are already in the dictionary. I hope this will help you to do a thorough check on the data that has been provided. Yeah, this is a part of data cleaning or an EDA stuff that you can do on your entire data so that you get good insights and a proper formatted data. Yeah, thank you so much.